right? So here's just a quick checklist.
Perfect. Yep.
Are you trading in the direction of the trend? So time frame continuity matters. I haven't met any rich counter trend traders. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's easier to trade with the trend. If you are going downstream, are you going to try and swim against the current? Right?
No.
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 And that's
I am not a salmon. I am not a salmon.
exactly. And then the salmon usually end up getting eaten by bears too. So
that's true. Exactly.
So is it probable that the price will reach your strike price? Are you too far out of the money? Did you buy enough time on your contract? It's better to find another trade than buy less time, especially if you have a small account. If you have a small account, your room or your margin of error is very low. You cannot risk taking bad trades with a small account. Okay.
True.
So does it make sense to take this trade based off the current IV? Is the position size you want appropriate for your account? Ask yourself where your stop is. Do you need a lot of money to trade options, trade common stock? The answer is it depends. You don't have to start with $50,000. And even if you had that much, I don't suggest that you trade with that to start. Many of us want to grow our accounts to six figures, then take out a bunch of money to do whatever with. Or, you think that getting to six figures is the key to your success as a trader. Some traders, I was one of them, for some time, who struggled with the account balances getting past a certain point. You can take 5 to 25, it's no problem. But then once you get to 25, something happens, either you start trading bigger or whatever. So make sure, remember, you have to earn the right to trade big, right? Just because you start with 100K doesn't mean you should trade with 100K.
That's a good point. I like that a lot.
Right. Good. And so an easy way to overcome that, especially if you're trading for a living, is simply to pay yourself. So I took some screenshots here when I was actively day trading last year. Just remember, if you treat it like a hobby, it will pay you like a hobby. If you treat it like a business, it can pay you like a business. Right. So
make a clip of that, Sepia.
Yep. So I don't know if you can see it here, but here's a bunch of trades that I took. The red boxes here are withdrawals where I would pay myself every couple of days. I was trading a small account, between 5 and 10K. My goal was to just double the account by the end of the week. That was it. And so you can see here, I took out 1137, 2,500, $2,000, $2,000, 990, $2,000. This was all within like a week and a half.
Wow.
Right? So you can see here the dates and the actual transactions, the dollar amounts, etc. So you don't have to have a lot of money to trade options. You just need to remember to do the right things consistently.